Are you ready to add a little bit more flavor to your salsa basic? Today I'll teach you the cross forward and cross back step by step with a tiny fun variation that will help you move, travel, and create a smoother flow. We will fix the most common beginner mistake, and by the end we will add the cherry on top of today's lesson. We will put it all together to create a smooth, rounded base. This is Dancing with Gali. I'm Gali Tsine, your dance teacher. Now help you unlock the dancer in you. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna learn is the cross forward, okay? And I'm sure you have seen maybe this step in some videos, or I don't know, in some other place. This step, I don't want you just to cross, okay? We're gonna do one, and the fun variation is to open, okay? And then you're gonna close. So we're gonna travel, okay? As I said at the beginning, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, okay? Let's do it one more time with your left. 1, 2, 3. And by the way, remember, if I'm facing you, imagine you're following me as if you're watching a mirror, okay? So you have to do the same leg that it's right in front of you, so you can do like a mirror, okay? So we're gonna do left, open, and then close, yes? And then we're gonna do the other leg, so we're gonna do with your right leg. Now we're gonna cross, forward, open, and close. Okay, one more time, just with the right. Cross, open, and close. And look, I want you to see that I'm crossing forward. Okay, I'm going forward and to the diagonal so I can open and close. Okay, so let's do it together, one after the other one. We're gonna start with your left. 1, 2, 3, and now the right. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do it this way so you can see how much I'm opening. This is important, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? Makes sense? Let's do it one more time so you can see from this side, okay? So we're gonna do 1, 2, closed or together, and cross and together, okay? Let's do it with music so you can practice right now. Okay, this is a slow song, so we can do it little by little. We're gonna start with our left, okay? So, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and cross and together, cross and together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross and together, cross and together, cross and together, cross and together. Forward and close, forward and close, forward and close, forward and close. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ready? You got it? Yes. Okay, so that was the first step. That's just crossing forward, okay? Now we're gonna do the cross back. And remember, at the end, we're going to do it with a little bit more of like a faster song so you can practice also that, okay? So now we're gonna do the cross back. And for that, kind of the same, but let's remember, if you have seen my other videos, you already know this step, right? I hope this is not the first time, and if this is your first time in my video, in my channel, welcome. I love to have you here. So, cross and together. That's the normal, right? Now, I want you to do cross, open, and together. Again, we're gonna travel to the side, okay? So, we do 1 and close. 1, 2, close, okay? And now with the other leg, cross and together, okay? Let's do it to that side. Cross and together, okay? I'm gonna do it one more time like this. So we do cross with your right, cross and together with your left, cross and together, okay? So let's do it with the music, with the slow song, okay? Are you ready? Come on, let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross and together, cross and together, cross and together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross and together, cross and together, cross and together. Ready? You got it? Perfect. Okay, so those steps are the ones that are gonna help us with the next step, which is the rounded salsa basic. A lot of people have troubles with this step, so we're gonna do it little by little. Okay, so don't worry, we're gonna do it. And before that, if this video is helping you, don't forget to subscribe, and remember you can always join as a member of my channel so you can have exclusive perks just for you. I would love to have you as a part of the dance community. Now, before we continue with the rounded basic, I want you to be careful because these are the most common beginner mistake when we're trying to do the rounded basic. When you cross, you have to be sure that you're really opening, and it's like if you were doing like a tiny triangle in the floor, okay? So we're doing 1, you open and you close here. You cannot be just here because you're just coming back into the same spot, okay? So not really tiny here, not really tiny here. You have to open and left enough space so you can close and still travel to the side, okay? Now, the other thing that I want you to be careful is that I don't want you to cross right here. This is a very common mistake. This wouldn't make it easy for you, okay? Because you will be kind of jumping your own feet, and then you will have to, I don't know, it's a mess, okay? So be careful, go to the diagonal, okay? Don't jump. You're gonna go forward, but to the side, okay? So boom, like this. So same thing happens when we're going to the back, okay? We're gonna cross, okay? Don't jump, don't really cross here. Just go to the back and cross, and then you open and close, okay? Cross, move to the triangle, and then you close, okay? 1, 2, close, okay? And the third thing I don't want you to do, this is very important, when you go to the back, look how my heel, it's kind of up, okay? So I don't want you to be touching here because this is taking you, it's gonna take you more time to do it, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that being said, we're gonna move into the rounded basic, and we're just gonna mix both steps, okay? And now we're gonna do both sides. So no matter if you're a leader or a follower, you can just learn both. This will help you to have more coordination and to have more vocabulary into your salsa dance. And we will practice everything so you're ready for whatever it's in front of you. Okay, so let's do it. Now we're gonna start with our right leg and we're gonna cross forward first, okay? So we are here, we start with the right, we do cross, open, and together. And now, because we already did our right, now we're gonna do with our left, but the left we're gonna do it to the back, okay? So cross, open, and together. And we are again in the same spot we started. Okay, let's do it one more time. Forward, okay, cross forward with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So imagine you're doing a circle in the floor, okay? Be careful again. This is one of the mistakes that I told you. If you're not really traveling to the side, you're gonna be doing just a line to the diagonal. We don't want that. So I want you to be opening the second step. Bam, and close. And 1, open and close. And forward, open and close. And we have a rounded basic. And forward and together, back and together, forward and together, and back and together. Okay? You got it? Now let's do the other side. Remember, I want you to have a lot of coordination and to be prepared for whatever it's coming, okay? So now we're gonna do it with our left. Left, forward. We're gonna do forward, open, together, and because we did our left, we're gonna do our right to the back. Back and together. One more time. Left, cross, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Remember, imagine the circle in the floor. You have to imagine so you can pass for all the steps, okay? And cross and together a little bit faster and together a little bit faster and together a little bit faster and together, faster and together, forward and together, back and together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, stop. You got it? You got it? Don't worry about it. You're gonna got it. And now let's do it with music. Are you ready? Come on, I know you're ready. This time it's gonna be a song a little bit faster. So little by little, don't worry, practice makes the master, okay? Let's do it. And by the way, if this has been hard for you, don't worry about it. I'm always available for private lessons online, so it doesn't matter where in your world you're dancing from. We can always have a one-to-one lesson so you can have personalized feedback and we can find out what is troubling you. Okay, so don't worry, just reach me out and let's unlock the dancer in you. Ready? This is a little bit faster, don't worry about it. And we're gonna do it from the top. We're gonna start crossing with our left, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Forward, forward. 1, 2, 3. Remember to open. Okay, let's do it now to the side. Side, side. Now let's do it to the back. We're gonna start again with our left, okay? And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Cross and cross. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And left and right. And left and right. Perfect. Yes. Okay, let's do it to the side again. Side and side. Just like this. Okay. Now, let's do the rounded basic. Okay, we're gonna start with our left going forward. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And forward and back. And forward and back. And forward and back. 1, 2, close. 1, 2, close. 1, 2, close. Come on. 1, open, close. 1, open, close. 1, open, close. Yes. Perfect. Let's do it to the sides. Again. And sides, sides. Okay. Let's start now. Let's make a pause and we're gonna start with our right. Right and left. Ready? We just changed the leg. Right? Bam. We're gonna start going forward with our right. And 5, 6, 7, and forward and forward. Forward and forward. Cross, open, close. Cross, open, close. Exacto. Yes. Okay. Let's do it now to the sides. Side, side. 5, 6. Now to the back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. You already have it. I know. Okay, sides. Ready? Let's do it. The round basic. 6, 7, and forward and back. And forward and back. And forward and back. And perfect! You got it already. Good job, everyone. I hope you're tired, because I am tired. So, if you're tired, I know you did a really great job. And wait, don't go. We have a lot to learn. And remember, don't forget to tell me in the comments if you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next class.